Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer. The original Prusa i3 set the bar for open source, open frame design 3D printers. The Prusa i3 MK3S and follows its predecessor's footsteps. It sets itself apart from the rest of the 3D printers by providing excellent print quality and a set of neat advanced features at a value price. The Prusa i3 MK3S and is a 3D printer that has been designed to offer high-quality prints while still being easy to use. This printer has a heated bed, which helps to prevent warping and ensure that your prints come out accurately. Additionally, the MK3S features an auto-leveling function, which makes it easy to get started with printing right away. The MK3S also comes with an LCD screen which allows you to control the functions of your printer easily. Finally, it has a sturdy metal structure, which ensures that prints come out accurately every time. This 3D printer is a great choice for hobbyists and beginners. It is well supported and easy to use. It is equally good for professionals owing to its neat features, high printing quality, and consistently reliable performance. As it stands, there is no other 3D printer that can compete with it for the crown of the best 3D printer under $1,000. At number 2. Dremel Digilob 3D20 3D Printer. The Dremel Digilob 3D20 is specifically designed with the needs of a beginner with a low budget. Ease of use, safety, plug-and-play design, and the name of a trusted tool manufacturer, all at a price of less than $500. These features make the Dremel 3D20 an affordable machine for educators, students, and hobbyists alike. The Digilab 3D20 is a closed-frame 3D printer that makes it safe to use around kids and even pets. It is easy to use and has a straightforward workflow. The printer does not require much calibration and works well right out of the box. Do note that the 3D20 has a non-heated print bed, so you're only limited to printing with PLA filament. And since the 3D printer supports only Dremel's PLA, you are likely to spend a bit more on 3D printing filament than you would with a different brand printer. Nonetheless, the 3D20 offers great print quality in a safe and easy-to-use package. It is sufficient to meet the primary 3D printing requirements and is a great machine to introduce your kids to the 3D printing world. At number 3. Flashforge 3D Printer. The Flashforge Creator Pro 2 comes with an independent dual extruder (IDEX) system, which is a relatively unique feature in a 3D printer under $1,000. With it, you can 3D print in different modes: mirror mode, duplicate mode, and multi-material mode. The IDEX system also offers you the option to 3D print with soluble supports, which are extremely helpful when you want to 3D print a complex design with intricate details. The Creator Pro 2 has a partially enclosed design with a removable top cover, a robust build quality, and an intuitive touchscreen that lets you navigate various functions easily. Its heating chamber offers the capacity to print ABS filament as well as many other high-performance filaments. If you want a dual extruder 3D printer for multimaterial or mass manufacturing, the Pro 2 is an excellent choice for you. It is a good fit for professionals in creative fields, STEM applications, and hobbyists looking for dual color or multimaterial 3D printing. At number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X 3D Printer. The Photon series from ANYCUBIC is an excellent range of resin 3D printers that offers great quality results at a relatively budget price. The Mono X is an upgrade over the original Photon Mono. Just like its predecessor, it uses UV light to solidify 3D printer resin, allowing for the creation of extremely detailed, three-dimensional objects. The Photon Mono X comes with an 8.9-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen that lets the Mono X achieve an XY print resolution of 50 microns. Especially considering its large build volume, this is an excellent resolution. For increased stability and precision on its large build volume, the Mono X comes with a dual linear rail on the Z-axis. This helps you achieve accurate 3D prints even when you use the entire build platform. The latest version of the Nicubic supports the Mono X and is an excellent alternative to the proprietary Photon workshop that is included with the 3D printer. Overall, considering the price bracket and the features, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X is a capable and reliable 3D printer that delivers excellent high-quality finished prints. With its acceptable price, it is likely that you will consider the Mono X an excellent 4K 3D printer alternative for your established FDM 3D printer. At number 5. Chadai Technology 3D Printer. The Chadai Tech X Plus is a mid-range offering from Chadai which aims towards semi-professionals and hobbyist consumers. It is a fully enclosed 3D printer with two separate print heads, each letting you print with different materials. The primary print head is meant for PLA, ABS, and PET, while the secondary one, which has a maximum printing temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. With this, you can print high-temperature filaments like nylon, carbon fiber, and polycarbonate. The Chadai's print bed, too, has two surfaces on either side, one for the basic materials and the other for advanced materials like nylon. In terms of other features, the X Plus comes with a dual Z-axis setup for increased stability and an air filtration system to absorb the harmful fumes from ABS and nylon materials. The X Plus offers excellent build quality, an enclosed design, and wide filament compatibility. The additions of the extra high-end extruder and built-in filtration system make the X Plus a great choice for professional applications. At number 6. Elegu Satin 2 MSLA 3D Printer. The Elegu Satin is a solid alternative to the ANYCUBIC Mono X and arguably the best resin 3D printer under $1,000. On the surface, the features of the Satin are similar to that of the Mono X. There are, however, some subtle differences between the two. For starters, ELEGOO has a better track record in terms of support than ANYCUBIC. So if you need any spare parts or help with troubleshooting in the future, the Satin is a superior option. On the other hand, if you update the firmware of the Satin to the latest version, you are tied down to its proprietary Nicubic slicer. The Mono X is compatible with more slicers, such as Lychee, Nicubic, and ANYCUBIC's own slicer. In terms of specs, the Satin has the same 4K monochrome LCD screen, UV matrix and delivers a similar XY resolution of 50 microns. It comes with a full aluminum body and a sturdy resin vat which is designed to be durable. The UV cooling fans too are designed to extend the lifespan of the UV lamps in the 3D printer. The Elegu Satin is an excellent 3D printer that just works. It makes a great first resin 3D printer for beginners while equally suiting the needs of an advanced hobbyist user. At number 7. Flashforge Adventurer for 3D Printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 4 is a fully enclosed 3D printer with a great set of features and a sturdy design. It comes fully assembled and is designed with ease of use and safety for the users in mind. The Adventurer 4 features a HEPA 13 air filter which prevents any harmful fumes or particles from leaving the 3D printing area. This makes it safe to use around kids, in homes, and in educational setups. The addition of a quick change nozzle and a removable build plate makes it easy to use for beginners and hobbyists alike. Other features such as filament detection, power recovery, built-in camera, and remote 3D printing add to its ease of use. The Adventurer 4 is an excellent value for money 3D printer that offers many valuable features, takes away the worries of any harmful 3D printing fumes, and delivers excellent printing quality.